earlier to imagine what it would be like if we were not so dependent on fossil fuels, if we could be independent of nuclear power, if we were having a more local access to the energy that we need to survive, so that we can make ethical, good, democratic decisions about how best our local communities will thrive, our regions will thrive, our countries will thrive, and how we're sharing power with each other rather than being so subject to the laws of domination from people who have accumulated power and will do anything to hold on to it. So I think this revolution is about putting power back into the hands of people, literally, figuratively, and I think we need to imagine what that world looks like and be ready to take the plunge. And I'm going to say that today looks like a good day to me. And I think the more that you understand, if you get to watch the Patagonia movie that Patagonia made about Dirk's work, I think you'll be inspired, because it's a great opportunity right now to really make a difference. And these challenges are overwhelming. But as communities, I think we have, I'm going to say, a moral, ethical, just human responsibility to figure out how to address them together.